By the end of the video, we'll know about Pike push-up workout proper form. Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about Pike push-up workouts and proper form. Let's dive in. Maximize your gains with Dymatize, ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. Pike push-ups are a fantastic exercise for your upper body, especially targeting your shoulders, triceps, and chest. To perform this correctly, start in a high plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your arms straight, engage your core, and maintain a straight line from your head to heels. Now, focus on keeping your body straight throughout the entire movement. Start by pushing your hips up towards the sky until you form an upside-down V shape with your body. Then, lower yourself back down to the starting position. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Remember to keep your legs straight and avoid bending them during the exercise. Pike push-ups are a great way to strengthen and tone upper body muscles while improving core stability. So there you have it, folks. Give Pike push-ups a try next time to do gym or working out at home. And remember to always maintain proper form for maximum benefits and injury prevention. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.